Oh, you're back again. So, you want to plant your fall lawn grass seed. Okay, well, did you contact groSMART thinkSOIL? Did you enter the thinkSOIL analysis kit? So, first, did you send them the soil samples from your lawn? Oh, great. Is there any chance you have your soil analysis report with you? Okay, so here are your thinkSOIL analysis results. So let's look at your thinkSOIL prescriptive instructions on how to balance your soil before you plant your grass seed. So I need to ask, did you follow the groSMART thinkSOIL prescriptive instructions exactly as they recommend? Great. And you ordered the exact groSMART materials illustrated here, right? Okay, good. Now I know you pay a little more for the groSMART materials, but they are worth it. Now, did you apply them exactly how groSMART thinkSOIL instructed you? And with these groSMART materials, right? And when they instructed, right? Okay, now you're ready to apply the groSMART grass seed. The groSMART grass seed is absolutely incredible. Now, did you notice that the grass seed is blue? Do you know why? Because it's treated with 5 separate biological treatments. Count them, 5 different treatments. You pay a little more for that blue treatment, but you will not believe the difference that blue treatment makes. Now, I actually saw germination in less than a week, and more importantly, it grew everywhere I applied it. Now, don't take my word for it, see for yourself. That blue treatment works miracles. Just follow the instructions on the bag. And remember, it needs groSMART fertilizer and proper watering. Now, if you get confused, just call them. Remember, they actually answer the phone live, and they will coach you. Just call them on the groSMART toll-free number. I'm not kidding you. Now that I've partnered with groSMART thinkSOIL, they really have changed my lawn and gardening life forever. And if you partner with them, they will change yours too.